I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching versions. Get Minecraft Java and note its exact version so mods will run. Next, run the Fabric installer and choose the Fabric loader for that same version. Once done, download Fabric API plus OptiFabric and the Optifine JAR that correspond. You do this because Fabric Loader provides the mod framework, Fabric API supplies core hooks, and OptiFabric bridges Optifine into Fabric. Without version parity, these pieces will fail to load together. You now install. Open your Minecraft folder and drop Fabric API, OptiFabric, and the Optifine JAR into /mods. Then create or select a launcher profile running the Fabric Loader and allocate enough RAM, typically 4 to 6 gigabytes, so shaders and mods run smoothly. Launch Minecraft once to let it create config files. Once the world loads, go into Video Settings to enable Optifine features and point to shader packs if used. This sequence ensures proper. You finish by testing in a fresh world and tuning performance settings. Lower render distance, enable fast math, and try different shader profiles to balance visuals versus FPS. If the game crashes, inspect the launcher log for specific version conflicts or mod load errors. Temporarily remove Optifine or OptiFabric to isolate the problematic component. Make sure to back up mods and config files and update only one piece at a time so you can quickly revert if a new version breaks compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.